Should be good. Okay, we're almost done here. Think he'll move? Driving? We're at Lowy Park, Nova Scotia Campground, Provincial Park. So we got another spot tonight. Just a one-nighter here. Oh, a little chipmunk, look at him go. See him going? Fire pit. Got our canopy set up. Got the van nice and level right there. What I like about this spot, washrooms and showers are right over there, which is beautiful. I like that. A little bit of flies today, but we'll put some fly dope on and enjoy the camping adventure. Thanks for coming along, guys. We'll do some cooking, some firing in the pit tonight. And hopefully it'll be a good night, no rain. If not, we got the canopy up. So, hello guys, we're at another spot here, just for a one-nighter. Lowy Park, Nova Scotia. So yeah, it's a nice provincial park here, Lowy Park. Got some washroom facilities right across the way, bathrooms and that, so that's pretty good. Get the fire pit behind me here, so we'll get things going, have a fire tonight, get up to cooking something. I don't know what we're cooking, but we'll get it going shortly. Thank you. How's it going, everybody? I'm gonna make a rotini pasta with, what do we got here? Cheddar smokies. Gonna cut them up small. And I got a leftover hamburger, cheeseburger here. Gonna cut that burger up, put this in the pot, fry it up, and put it all in with the pasta. Garden select. Mega rotini. See how this pasta is gonna turn out. A little bit of everything in it. Now I'm going to cut up a hamburger, some little pieces. I'll dice it up in there anyway too. Cheeseburger, put that all in there. Leftover stuff. Oh, I put it in the water. It's okay. Yeah, put them all in now, it doesn't matter. Put all the mixture meat in there. Cook our rotini, however you say it, pasta in the pot, and then mix everything together. Yeah, meat is cooking. Sauce going in there. Cooking. Turn this down. There. Put some sauce in it. Look at that. Actually, I'll turn this right off. There we go. Turn that down, the meat sauce to simmer. Got the sausage in there, got pieces of hamburger. And they're pretty well, rotini's pretty well done here. But as you can see, listen to the rain dropping. But it got our canopy saving us, so she's dripping away. I'll step out here for a minute. She's pouring, but she's stopping now, so. Our wood's all inside of here. So hopefully when it stops down around 8 or 9 o'clock, we can get that going, get some heat. It's cooling off a little bit, not terrible, but so I'll be back when I add all the ingredients here and strain this, guys. Macaroni is done. Get her strained in the rain a little bit. Meat sauce. We'll pour that in a little bit at a time. And we got to get that meat out of there too. There. And we'll mix that around, and I'll do that one. And a little mixy poo here. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. My wife will pour the rest in there. Look at that, guys. Sausages, hamburger, rotini noodles, and we're gonna shove some cheese in there, break it up now, and we'll put that through it. This is gonna be delicious. It's like an Italian meal, straight from Italy. Can't have too much cheese, probably. Trying to dodge some rain here. So, little feast. Gonna eat outside in the rain under the canopy, guys. Maybe. There she be, guys. All stirred up, cheese all through it. Look at that. And listen to that rain. Look. Blame it on the rain. It was falling, falling. Blame it on the stars. It sounds at night. But it sounds good, don't it, Lo? I'll put a top on this now. Keep that heat in. Whoa. She's pouring. We got our wood, but we got it under here. Under here, see? So keep dry. So, oh well, it's an adventure. It's an adventure. Fun, fun, fun. That is really good. Rotini noodles are delicious. Cheddar smokies in there. A hamburger cut out. Very, very good. And I'm so yummy, yummy in your tummy. What's going on, guys? We ended up inside after a bit. Started raining really hard out there. Finished our supper. Come in here, had a little bit more. Beautiful. Got a little wet, but we're heading out now. Going over, have a nice little shower right across from the showers. Have a shower, come back and watch some TV for the night. And I don't know if we're going to head out real early in the morning or have some breakfast or not, but we shall see. But yeah, she's raining pretty hard steady now, so. No fire tonight. Oh, well. Better luck next time. We had one the other night, so take care, guys.